Member, St. Louis Dimaria Educational System. With this year's theme, we wish them bearers of pride for the renewal of church and society. May I request everyone to please rise for the Philippine National Anthem.
Our beloved teachers, our parents, our friends, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of you. Graduation day is not the end of one's perception. It is just the beginning of an end. Two words which signify sacrifices for the fulfillment of one's dream. It is the ray from a light which every one of us will follow to reach our goals. We're all excited and thankful because we're soon to leave the portal of St. Anthony Academy and go to the next stage of education. People are dreaming of our success 10 years from now. They're expecting and hoping something of us. Now that we're in the new century, what hope is there for this country? As of now, we're like rays of sun, toast the waves of uncertain future. Could we be the light of our cherished society? Yes, my fellow graduates, we can be the light. Let us be the living example of goodness towards other people by sharing our talents, our skills, unselfishly, by trying hard to live according to God's will, and by imitating evil works. Let our rays shine towards others, especially to those who are helpless. Let us illuminate the darkest part of our country through our attained education. Because of this, we can change the world for the better. Education can help open our minds to the reality of life. It is a way for us to be a light for others. Through our education, may we remove the strap that blindfolds each individual to finish his studies and be globally competitive citizen. These are the importance of education, and we shall not forget that we owe this to those special people who gave their efforts, sacrifices, and hard works. Without them, this momentous event is impossible. That's why I gladly welcome our parents who will brought along and acceptance, the never-ending support for us to reach our goal in life. Though sometimes life seems so difficult, but they are always there behind our back to give us encouragement. I also heartedly welcome our dedicated teachers who gave their best to have quality education and a strong spirituality that can be our stepping stone towards the next stage of our lives. They are our second parents, one of those special people who molded and guided us to be an independent and wherein we can reach our dream without uncertainties, but also to share our overwhelmed hearts to them, because they're also the reason why we are leaving to our alma mater, bringing our attained values to another long journey. And for all of us, my fellow graduates, we can change the world. We must act now. We must be strong and determined to attain our dreams. Good luck to the next stage and unfamiliar path that we are going to trace. Once again, good morning and welcome to our graduation day.
Thank you very much, Jacqueline. And now, our beloved principal, Sister Eva M. Vargas DC, will present the 28 boys and 14 girls who are candidates for graduation for the school year 2005-2006, and Sister Lourdes L. Alvis DC, Alva Sourceland Cluster President, for the confirmation of graduates.
Cluster Principal of St. Anthony Academy, I have the honor to present to the President, Sister Lourdes Alvis DC. 74-year students for school year 2005 and 2006 who have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements for graduation as provided by the Department of Education under the new secondary education curriculum. The record shows that they have satisfactorily completed the academic requirements for the new secondary curriculum they have enrolled in. By virtue of the authority vested in me as President of St. Lucie Maria, advisors of our Cluster, St. Anthony Academy, and on the strength of the recommendation made by the Principal of the Basic Education Department that you have satisfactorily completed the minimum requirements prescribed by the Department of Education, I hereby confer your graduation this 30th day of March 2006. As such, you are now eligible for admission to any post-secondary schools in the country. Graduates, passers to the right. Congratulations.
And now let's proceed to the awarding of honors and distribution of diplomas. The cluster principal and the faculty of St. Anthony Academy, members St. Lucie Maria Educational System, having taken into considerations the academic grades and the participation in co-curricular activities of all the graduates, are proud to present the academic and special awardees for the school year 2005-2006, together with the distinction diplomas. The awards will be given by Reverend Father Erwin Medina, and he will be assisted by Sister Lourdes L. Alvis, DC Cluster President, and Sister Eva M. Vargas DC, Cluster Principal.
Member, St. Lucie Maria Educational System, Tuban Source School. Candidates for graduation, school year 2005-2006. Boys. Zoe Gonzalez Acuna III. Katie Yaka Ray. Naes Leo Moyano.
Gladys P. Melchor will receive the Certificate of Recognition and Participation as Drama Line Award and Certificate of Recognition and Participation Community Service Award.
Karen Estelino Cano.
Karen Espirido Tanya will receive the Certificate of Recognition and Participation for performance.
Abigail Helen Damasco Camara.
Abigail Jeanette Almanzo Camara will receive the Certificate of Recognition and Participation, Performance Award, and for Crown of Dialect.
Christine Rosero Camposano.
Christine Estela Camposano, Victoria's Valedictorian, batch 2005-2006. She will receive also a medal and the Certificate of Achievement for Excellence in Science in recognition of her exploring performance and accomplished commitment in honoring tomorrow's leader today. Christine Camposano will also receive the Certificate of Recognition and Participation, Community Service Award, UP Source Games 2005, Eagle Quiz Contest, and Interschool Bible Quiz.
Giselle Caliano Lorna.
Gustavo Damian Lerna, Majoring of the Year Special Award, Performing Arts Service Award, and she will receive also a Certificate of Recognition and Participation for Community Service.
Miriam Flores Medina.
Miriam Bless Flores Matera, third honorable mention. Miriam Bless, as an awardee, will be receiving the San Luis Police Medal and a check of 7,500 pesos as her monetary award. Luisian Special Award, Marian Special Award, Deportment Special Award, Community Service Award, and she will receive a Certificate of Recognition and Participation during the UP Source Videos 2005.
Maria Torres Salve. Marina Pineda.
Maria Louise Salve Perez Pineda will receive a Certificate of Recognition and Participation as Drama
would like to acknowledge the support of our parents who for these past years have been very supportive to the mission of St. Anthony Academy. So in recognition for your generous sponsorship with us, we would like to award this recognition and merit. St. Anthony Academy Luba Susuan awards this certificate of recognition to Mr. and Mrs. Emmanuel G. Javier. To the mission of St. Louis Liberian Educational System of the Daughters of Charity, evidenced by the completion of their children's secondary education at St. Anthony Academy of Luba, given the 30th day of March 2006 on the occasion of the Basic Education Department graduation exercises at St. Anthony Academy of Luba, Luba, Sorsogon. Signed, Sister Eva M. Vargas, DC, Cluster Principal, DCS LMES, Advisor to the Cluster, and Sister Lourdes Alabis, DC, Cluster President, DCS LMES, Advisor to the Cluster. Same text applies to some parents who will be called. Okay?
Okay, another parents of the year, we have Mrs. Esperanza Ibenflor. Mrs. Mr. and Mrs. David Tayaname. Mr. and Mrs. Alfredo Excella. Mr. and Mrs. Angel Elias. Mr. and Mrs. Edward Ike. And Mr. and Mrs. Adriano Valdez. For the fierce medallion, published for upgrading a standard of education incorporated, is given to the parents of the valedictorian in recognition of their role as the first teacher and source of support and inspiration. They are none other than Mr. and Mrs. Gregorio Camposan. Thank you very much and congratulations. And now, the graduates will have their induction to the St. Anthony Academy Alumni Association. And the inducting officer is Monsignor Melchor Espinida, St. Anthony Academy Alumni President.
And please raise your right hands and repeat after me. I, as member of the governing class 2005-2006, hereby pledge live up to the ideals of my alma mater, the St. Anthony Academy, member of St. Louis de Manlac Educational System, especially in rendering service to the needy. I likewise promise to give full support and cooperation to St. Anthony Academy Alumni Association's projects and endeavors, to the best of my ability, for the betterment of the school community and that of Cuba. So help me God. Congratulations.
The graduates will now have their pledge of loyalty to be led by Joyce Ventura Rivera, first honorable graduates. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. As we hold our diplomas, symbol of our achievement, we wish to express our deep gratitude to God, to our parents, to the sisters, and to our teachers. We promise our alma mater, St. Anthony Academy, member of St. Louis de Maria Educational System, that we will be constantly aware of her philosophy and objectives, in the love and concern for others, and in giving service to the needy. We implore God Almighty to give us moral strength and courage to uphold the sanctity of the home, safeguard the spiritual values of family life, and assume the responsibilities of the morally upright, mature Filipino Christians who are socially aware and actively involved in the affairs of the church and the community we are in. So help us God. Thank you, Joy. Please be seated. And now, may I call on the class valedictorian for the school year 2005-2006 for address of gratitude, Christine Rosella Thompson. To our most reverend Father Erwin Medina, to our beloved class representative, Sister Lourdes Alves Davies, our energetic cluster principal, Sister Eva Vargas, sisters, teachers, our beloved parents, my fellow graduates, a pleasant morning to all of you. I feel so humble, but honored and privileged, though I can feel the burdens the task and the expectation that is given before all of us, graduates of St. Anthony Academy. For we are all aware that we are just a dot in a series of generations of the honorable graduates of this institution. I feel so humble, for I cannot fully express my gratitude to my exalted parents, who have sacrificed so much for me, for their unconditional love. For us who have our parents with us, should not lose the
should not only be expressed in beautiful and sweet words, but rather it must be expressed in how we carry ourselves as graduates of this venerable institution, wherever our future brings, whatever schools we go to, whatever fields of professions we might become, even for those who will not have a chance to pursue higher education, we must always be a proud graduate. It we must never forget the 4 years formation we have gone through and what have become of us today. We must always be aware of our dignity as tuition, bearers of life for the renewal of our church and society. Once again, good morning and thank you very much.
Thank you, Christy. And now the graduates will have the graduation song, the school hymn, and the national vision. Ladies and gentlemen, the graduates of Batch 2006.
Kalsamahan patungo.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness has its feeling senses, but that'll soon come out old phase before I met you. For when I let you walk into my heart, congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I want to face that lady who thought she'd always love me, that I was only fooling myself to think she loves me. But then tonight she said she couldn't live without me. That's runabout me. You wanted to stay. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy